Hi guys, and welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. And we got a few orders from the mailman today, and this is just one of the quick ones. And I ordered myself a USB cable, some uh, coupon, something that the sellers get nowadays. They can give you coupons. Uh, And I see a lot of sellers doing advertising for their items. This is just the seller receipt. It's not a receipt, sorry. It's just a shipping or an order form from Lazada. And this is the USB cable that I ordered. As usual, links will be below. And let's see the item. Okay. It's it's cheap. It feels very cheap. It feels like one of those cables that I'm gonna be throwing away in a few months. It's it's got a flat cable, so help it untangle. But I'm not a fan of these flat cables. I usually roll my cables and do this twist. So do a twist like this, so they don't they I usually keep them spooled like this, and I'm not a big fan of these flat ones. But these cables, they don't look like very good quality. The connectors themselves, they feel okay. One of the things that I bought this cable for is that it looks like it has a uh, very thin plastic edge, and the reason for that is that I've got this case. Usually, the thick ones don't fit. This one fits very well. It's very skinny, but it doesn't look very well built. Well, we'll see, but well, we'll see. Hopefully it stays okay for the next few months. Links below. If you like the video, please like, subscribe. That helps a lot. Thank you. Till next video.